Is an app on your Samsung Galaxy A27 not responding or acting strangely? Don't worry, in this tutorial I'll walk you through two fast and easy methods to force stop an app and help it run properly again. Option 1. Use the Settings app. Start by opening the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Scroll through the menu and tap Apps. You'll now see every app installed on your phone. Find the app that's causing problems. If the list is long, simply type the app's name into the search bar at the top. Once you've selected the app, you'll be taken to its app info screen. Here, tap Force Stop near the bottom of the display. A confirmation message will appear. Tap OK to continue. The selected app will immediately stop running, including any background activity. Option 2. Use the app icon shortcut. If you want a quicker method, you don't even need to open settings. Locate the app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Touch and hold the app icon until a menu pops up. Tap the App Info AI icon. On the App Info screen, tap Force Stop, then confirm by selecting OK. The app is now completely closed. The next time you open it, it will launch fresh, which often fixes temporary performance issues or freezes. If the app continues to have problems after force stopping it, you can also try clearing its cache or checking for updates from the Google Play Store. That's how you force stop apps on your Samsung Galaxy A27. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.